Hisense made a significant splash at CES 2025 with the introduction of its groundbreaking 116-inch TriChroma LED TV, 116UX. This consumer-grade mini-LED display is the first of its kind to utilize RGB local dimming technology. Key innovations and benefits. Pure color accuracy. Unlike traditional backlighting systems that rely on white or blue light filtered through quantum dots, the TriChroma technology employs individual red, green, and blue LEDs. This direct color generation results in purer colors, achieving a remarkable 97% coverage of the BT.2020 color space. Enhanced contrast and brightness. Tens of thousands of RGB local dimming optical lenses, each containing independent red, blue, and green LEDs, enable precise multi-level dimming at both the chip and group level. This results in superior contrast, reduced blooming, and increased brightness, reaching up to 10,000 nits. Improved energy efficiency. By illuminating only the necessary LEDs for the content on screen, RGB local dimming technology optimizes energy consumption and reduces eye strain. Advanced AI processing. The TV is powered by Hisense's HiView AI Engine X, offering AI-driven enhancements such as AI peak brightness, AI RGB local dimming, and AI banding smoother for an even more refined viewing experience. Immersive audio. The TriChroma LED TV delivers an immersive audio experience with a 6.2.2 multi-channel surround sound system, supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X. In summary, Hisense's TriChroma LED TV represents a significant leap forward in display technology, offering unparalleled color accuracy, contrast, brightness, and energy efficiency. With its advanced AI processing and immersive audio capabilities, this TV is poised to redefine the home entertainment experience.